So this is a simple PowerPoint presentation that I created with AI, and it just took me seconds to create this, and also for free. And with the same data, I created this PowerPoint presentation, which is, as you can see, it's pretty cool right now, and with the images, with the accurate images and the same data. So you can also create this type of PowerPoint slides using AI for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this. So to create a PowerPoint presentation like this, you need to go to your ChatGPT. So you can upload your PDF file or any type of file or any data that you have. You can just upload here, or you can just say to create any type of PowerPoint presentation file in ChatGPT. So I just give a simple command prompt here, create me a PowerPoint presentation slide on how quantum computer works, and give submit. You can upload your own PDF file or any data that you want to create, but for example, I just give it a simple command prompt to create me a PowerPoint file for this how quantum computer works. And as you can see, in just seconds, it's create me a presentation file, so you can download this. I'm just going to click on this download file and save this in my PC. Now it's downloaded on my computer. Now I have opened this file in PowerPoint. As you can see, this is just a normal and simple presentation that I created in seconds using AI. But if you want to make this more stunning and with the images like the cryptocurrency, how it works like this, we're going to use Gemini AI. So after creating the simple and normal PowerPoint file, we're going to use the Gemini AI, which is also for free. So first, we're going to upload the PowerPoint file that we created with ChatGPT. So this is the normal PowerPoint file that we created with ChatGPT. And now you're going to choose the tools option from here and click on canvas. After uploading the file, you just need to give a simple prompt. Based on this file, create me a beautiful presentation slides document. And you just need to click submit here. And after that, it will work on your presentation and it will go to a canvas section. So as you can see, now it's coming to the canvas section. So creating a PowerPoint slides with images and color, it's going to take some time. So you just need to wait for a couple of minutes here. So I'm going to skip the video to show you how it's done. So as you can see, our PowerPoint presentation has been done and it gave us 10 slides with lots of images here. And this looks pretty good and awesome here. As you can see, with just a simple PowerPoint file, we created another PowerPoint which have more visual and more fun to learn from with this. So if you want to download this, if you click on this download option, you will get a PDF file. So how to create this into another PowerPoint file? You just need to click on this export to slides, and this will create slides, and this will be give you a link to your Google Slides. Then you can make a PowerPoint file. So don't worry, I'll also show you how you can create this into a PowerPoint presentation. So you just have to wait for creating slides in Google Slides. Now as you can see, our slides have been created. Click on open slides. Now this will take you to the Google Slides, and as you can see, here's our PowerPoint presentation or the Google Slides. Here, now to download this as a PowerPoint presentation, you can click on this file option and click on download, and as you can see, here's the Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on this, and now this has been downloaded as a PowerPoint presentation. Now you can open this file in PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, now we can open this file in PowerPoint presentation. So we just created a simple PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT, and in just minutes we created this PowerPoint presentation about this data, and we just created this. So that's it guys. This is how you can create a normal PowerPoint presentation, or you can create more visual effect PowerPoint presentation with AI, and this is all for free. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.